Feed pellet machine as a good helper of breeding, low-cost granulator, waste into treasure. Our feed pellet machine. Strong power, no burning machine, high temperature refractory roller, wear resistant, more durable, not easy to break, thickened disc, more durable, thickened and high feed port, saving time and labor, movable device, base anti-vibration, easy to move. Feed pellet machine, uniform discharge, particle size can be adjusted. Raw materials are grains, fish meal, sawdust, grass, corn, straw, and so on. One machine for multiple uses, smooth operation, detailed technical support. 20 years of experience in the factory, professional team design, professional after-sales service, fine product quality. Provide professional technical brochure, detailed technical manual.